y'all. What's shaking? Happy Thursday. I'm good, baby. Guess where I am? It's been a while. I hope everybody's doing amazing. I haven't been doing Wisdom Wednesday. I'm in the car wash, in case you're wondering where I am. I'm in the car wash. So I haven't been doing Wisdom Wednesday, and a few of you have reached out and asked where have I been, and I'm still here. But it's Thursday, so I have a thought for Thursday, in the car wash thought for Thursday. Ooh, I love the lights. Hey, it's gonna be a good song. Anyway, so my thought for Thursday, as I was getting ready. Hold on, it's too loud. Is it too loud? Hold on. I know that it's loud. I don't know why I do this, except for it's fun, and I think that y'all want to live like vicariously through me or something. But anyways, it's almost over. It's a quickie. All right, so I do have a quickie on this thought for Thursday. Can y'all hear me? Can somebody tell me if you can hear me? Just like thumbs up or something, because I have my AirPods in and I'm not really sure if y'all can hear me. And what I have to say, as always, as far as I'm concerned, is important, or I wouldn't hop on here and run my mouth, waste my breath. So, it's the hair dead. All right, get to it, baby. Come on, Thompson. Oh, ask me what time it is, y'all. I'll tell you how to build a watch. That's what my daddy always tells me. Don't you, Mike Thompson? All right, green light, go. All right, here we go. All right, so here's my thought for Thursday. I hope this helps somebody. Oh, wait a second. I just messed my vehicle up. Vehicle not in park. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get hit. That's great to do on a live, isn't it? It's playing. I don't know what happened. Anyways, still getting used to this vehicle that I got in December. All right, so here's my thought for Thursday. I was looking at some pictures earlier. Y'all ever go back and look at pictures of like where you were this time last year? Anybody? Not just me. Well, I was, and dadgummit, what a year, right? Daggone. But I was thinking, my mom always told me this too shall pass, and she's right? Nothing's permanent, good or bad, right? Nothing's permanent. This too shall pass. So I was thinking about how, as I'm guessing maybe one or two of you have been through something. If you've been through something, show me some love. But and you just think that it's never going to end. It's like never ending. It's like the worst. You're whether it be a loss of somebody or a relationship or a job, or you're sick, just like it's never going to end, right? But not only do those bad times pass, y'all, this too shall pass. But thanks. What's up? Hey, Melissa. What's up, Dave? But I just wanted to kind of touch on how the good, regardless of whether you're on top of the mountain and everything's like A-okay. Sorry about the sun, y'all. Although I am kind of glowing. Ooh, look at those eyes. My eyes have changed color in the past year too. So this too shall pass. I used to be full, like, I digress. I'm sorry, y'all, but I used to have really brown eyes, you know, and there's that saying that like, oh, it's because you're full of shit, clear up to here. Or at least that's what I think my dad also told me. But now they're green. Anyway, so whether you're on top of the mountain or you're in the valley, I'm talking to you. You know who you are. You're listening to this because you meant to come across this right now. This too shall pass. And when things are really, really, really difficult, it's not permanent, y'all. It's just not permanent. I know it seems like it might be, but it's not. And with that being said, that's why I practice gratitude so much, because we all have, I have a gratitude journal, and this is what else I was looking at pictures, and then I was reviewing my journal earlier. And I'm like, man, what a crazy couple years. Like, what the heck? I mean, I was living in Naples, Florida in 2019. Near Marco Island, thinking I had my whole life figured out, and then like, boom, plot twist twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, like so many plot twists. I'm sure if you can relate, like, yeah, just be like, yes, I can relate. I totally know it. But that's why it's important to practice gratitude. Because if you're on top of the mountain, that too will pass. I mean, when things are great, they just don't stay great. Hey, Kurt. Yes, that is so true, man. Smile, girl. Things change when you least expect it. You're amazing. Thanks, sweetheart. Yeah, they do. They do. They can flip on a dime. I've spoke about this before in lives, but it's like, you know, I think I use the analogy. It's like wrestling. If anybody, like wrestling, like kids that wrestle and high school wrestlers, not like WWF. But yeah, you can like a takedown, then a reversal, and then like boom, next thing you know, match is won. So if things are rough or you're going through a tough time, I want to say my thought for Thursday is this too shall pass. And if you're doing amazing, yay, go high five yourself in the mirror, be super happy about it, and be extremely grateful, because that too will pass. Unfortunately, because, like I just got goosebumps, because that's what we do, y'all. That's life. It's mountains and valleys. It's like, you know, it's a roller coaster, and the joy's in the journey. The joy is in the journey. You know, I have it on my wall in my house. It says, happiness is found in the journey, not at the destination. So my mom sent me something earlier. This is the last thing I'll say. That's why, hey, Robin, what's up, girl? I haven't been live for, I feel like forever. But my mom sent me something earlier about, all we're given is today. And so this kind of correlates with that, because if you've heard the saying, yesterday's history, tomorrow's a mystery, today is a gift. That's why we call it the present, right? The present, get it? Oh, look, lipstick. Got it. Anyhow, we worry so much about what went down and what we would have done differently. And yes, learn from those things and those experiences or whatever. But we worry, we beat ourselves up about things we could have done differently, or the past, or different decisions we could have made. And then we fret over tomorrow, which we're not even promised. I mean, yesterday's gone. Y'all probably heard this before, so I don't mean to sound like a broken record, but it was just what was on my heart. That this too shall pass. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not promised. What you got is right now, right here, right now. Right here, right now. And whether you, on a scale 1 to 10, your life's really complicated and difficult right now, and you're at a 1, or if you're at I always say an 11. Like, I'm at 11. I'm not always at an 11. Sometimes I'm at a 1. We all are. We're human. But if you're at an 11, be very, very grateful that you're at your 10 or 11. And if you're at a 1, take a deep breath. Tell yourself, yesterday's history. Tomorrow's a mystery. Today is a gift. That's why we call it the present. And know that this too shall pass. It will. So keep on keeping on, y'all. Keep on keeping on. Journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, the joy's in the journey. That's what I have for y'all on this Thought for Thursday. Hope everybody's having a great week. My gosh, we're coming up on June. School's about to be out for the kiddos. It's about to be summertime. Makes me want to listen to DJ Jazzy Jeff. So that's what I think I might do. Listen to some DJ Jazzy Jeff in the Fresh Prince. All right, I love you guys. I got lipstick on my teeth again. Man, it's everywhere. Apparently this isn't good lipstick. Anyway, I love y'all. Lipstick in my teeth and everything. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk soon. I hope y'all have an abundant life, full of peace, love, and happiness. Smooches. Later.